white sugar. $200. Now, egg yung kalahati. Lang natin yung flour. 1 to para masalo. 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Milk. Mixture dito. Naglagay lang ako ng baking paper dito sa aking hulma. So, ipantay lang natin to ng ganyan. Preheated oven of 10 minutes and yung init niya is 100. Start na natin lutuin yung i-bake na butter cake at 50 minutes. Then 150 yung kanyang init. Ayan, 150. 15, then bibake natin siya ng 50 minutes. Ready done na yung aking butter cake. Pinacold. So, it's already done na. Wow. So good. Yummy. Butter cake is so the best. Perfect. See the texture? So fluffy, guys. This is good. Tama lang yung fluffy. 100% perfect. Itong ginawa. May avocado juice. Nabibili nyo to sa aking TikTok shop. Texture niya is so good. Malambot siya. So fluffy. And smooth. Perfect. Yummy, guys.